What's up guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'll be teaching how to make a music player application. So most probably I'm the first on YouTube doing this application. So basically what this application is gonna do is like there will be a button. If you click that, it will go to your file manager where you'll have to choose any music and it's gonna play that. Okay, so yeah, so this is how it looks. First, what you have to do is here you'll have to go to connectivity, and here you'll find activity starter. Just drag and drop it on the screen, and here you can see action. Here you just have to paste this text. Okay, text is in the description below. You can just go over there and just copy and paste that. Okay, after you just do this, yeah, basically this is to go to the file manager to choose the audio. Okay, first we need to put a button, and we'll just keep this alignment center. Okay, yeah, now it's good. So I'll just do all this stuff and I'll come back. So guys, basically here are three buttons: choose music, play, pause, and stop. Okay, so you can just rename them like choose music, play, pause. Okay, I'll just do this and come back. Okay guys, renaming has been done. Choose, play, pause, and stop. Okay, so we have done this much. Okay, now let's put a notifier. Okay, then what else we need? Yeah, we also go to media, and we need player, and yeah, maybe that's it. Okay, let's go to the blocks. Let's start and finish this application. Okay, when this button click, when the choose music button click, activity starter 1, um start activity. After this you have to go to activity starter 1, and here you can see after activity, and here you can see where is the player? Yeah, here it is. Player 1, um source, yeah, player 1 source to activity starter result URI. Okay, here just have to, not data URI, it is result, yeah, this one result URI. So here we have finished this part. Okay, now the next step is play. um when play button click, this player 1 should start, and same thing, and just duplicate this, and when scroll down, when pause button click, this should pause. Here is pause, delete, and stop. Okay, stop button click, delete this, stop. Okay guys, now it's time to test our app. Okay guys, here's our app. So if I click on play, nothing is gonna happen, as I have not yet put the music. I have not yet choose the music. Actually what we could have done is like we could have used the notifier. If somebody clicks on play without choosing the music, then it should show a notification. We could do that. And now no corresponding activity was found. Okay guys, I just forgot one more small thing. Here go to this activity starter, and here you can see data type. Here we'll have to paste this one. So sound, capital S, sound, the slash, and okay, you just have to paste this. So now let's try this. Okay, Just a second. Okay guys, I hope this works. Yes guys, here you can see. Okay guys, this is my file manager. I could not show the other stuff. Okay, so I can just this is basically the like if I have to choose from my drive or my file managers, if I just click on file manager, here it will show some list of songs. It just takes some time. Yeah, here you can see music. If I click on music, then oh, okay, if I click on music, then I get so many of these stuff. I'll just take one. Okay, click on select. So let me just wear my phones. Yeah, now let me play this. Okay guys, it's working. So as it's not a big song or something, it's just a small notification tone. I cannot pause that. So guys, yes, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like this video, share this video, and also smash that bell.